Turning 40 doesn't mean your strength disappears. In fact, what if I told you that just 5 simple moves, done for 15 minutes a day, could completely transform your body and bring all that strength right back? If you've been feeling those stiff joints in the morning, noticing a little less muscle tone, or finding that simple tasks like carrying groceries or climbing stairs feel harder than they used to, you are not alone. This is a common story, but it doesn't have to be your story. Here's the hard truth. Every day you wait, your body adapts to weakness. It learns to be less capable. But the great news is you can reverse that process starting today. We're going to break down 5 foundational exercises that will rebuild your strength, improve your mobility, and give you back the energy and confidence you deserve. But forget complicated gym routines and expensive equipment. This is about real-world strength for a real, vibrant life. So, let's start with the undisputed king of functional fitness, the squat. This isn't just a gym exercise. It's the movement you do every single time you sit down and stand up. Mastering the squat is the foundation for daily independence. The benefits are huge. You'll build powerful legs and glutes, which act as armor for your knees, protecting them from strain. Stairs will feel easier, and getting out of a low chair will become effortless. Now, if a full squat feels like too much right now, no problem. Start with a chair. Simply stand in front of it. Lower your hips back and down as if you're about to sit. Lightly touch the chair and then drive back up through your heels. Keep your chest up and your core engaged. Whether you use a chair or not, focus on that smooth, controlled motion. This single move strengthens the largest muscles in your body and directly translates to a more capable, independent life. Next up, we're building upper body power with exercise number 2, the push-up. This one move is a powerhouse for developing strength in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. It's the secret to firm-toned arms and a strong upper body that helps you push open heavy doors, lift things overhead, and even catch yourself if you trip. Don't let your hips sag. This progression ensures you're building strength safely and effectively. These first 2 exercises alone will change how your body feels and performs. But exercise number 3 is the real game changer for protecting your spine and eliminating aches and pains. I'm talking about the plank. The plank is the ultimate core stability exercise. Your core isn't just about having a flat stomach. It's the central pillar that supports every single movement you make. A strong, stable core protects your spine, dramatically improves your posture, and is one of the most effective ways to reduce or even prevent lower back pain. The beauty of the plank is its simplicity. Get on the floor on your forearms and toes and hold your body in a perfectly straight line, like a wooden board. Engage your abs, glutes, and back. The most important cue is to just breathe. Don't hold your breath. Breathe naturally and deeply. Start by holding for just 20 or 30 seconds. That might feel like an eternity at first, but with consistency, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can increase that time. A strong core from planking makes everything else you do, from squats to just walking around, safer and more powerful. Now for an exercise that most people over 40 are missing, but it might be the most important one for long-term health and mobility. It's called the dead hang. This move is your secret weapon against the constant compressive force of gravity that weighs down on your spine all day. Think about it. Sitting, standing, walking, it all squashes our vertebrae together. The dead hang does the opposite. It uses your own body weight to gently decompress your spine, creating space between the vertebrae and providing incredible relief. Beyond spinal health, it's fantastic for improving shoulder mobility and range of motion, and it's one of the best ways to build formidable grip strengths, something that's as crucial for everything from opening a jar to carrying heavy bags. All you need is a pull-up bar at a park or a sturdy beam at home that you can safely hang from. Just grab the bar, let your feet come off the ground and relax. Let your shoulders stretch and your spine lengthen. Start with just 10 or 15 seconds and build from there. It might feel intense on your hands at first, but this is your body getting stronger. You are literally reversing the effects of gravity on your posture. Our final exercise, number 5, is all about boosting your heart health and metabolism. But forget the high-impact, joint-jarring burpees you see in fitness classes. We're doing the modified, joint-friendly burpee. This version gives you all the cardiovascular and fat-burning benefits without the risky jumping. It builds full body coordination and explosive energy in a safe, controlled way. Here's how you do it. From a standing position, squat down and place your hands on the floor. Step 1 foot back, then the other, so you're in a plank position. Hold for a second. Then step 1 foot forward, then the other, returning to the bottom of your squat. Finally, stand up tall. That's 1 rep. The focus here is on smooth, deliberate movement, not speed. The promise is simple. Commit to just 15 minutes of these moves every day. That's it. In 30 days, you won't just feel stronger. You'll see the results in your daily life. You'll carry all the groceries in one trip, no problem. You'll have the energy to get on the floor and play with your kids or grandkids. You'll stand taller, move with more confidence, and feel a decade younger. This isn't about chasing some unrealistic ideal. It's about reclaiming your vitality and ensuring your body can support the life you want to live for years to come. Remember at the beginning when I said that turning 40 doesn't mean your strength has to disappear. Now you have the proof. You have the exact blueprint to rebuild it better and smarter than before. Don't just save this video, start tomorrow morning. Your future self is going to thank you for it. Let me know in the comments below, which one of these 5 exercises will you try first? Thanks for watching.